So this is the unboxing of our Cobra Cell unit, capable of propagating cellular signals. This is how our unit comes standard. It comes with a photocell as well as the antenna necessary for propagation. So unboxing the unit, you see photocell, the antenna depending on the type of communication that you're doing. The unit comes with a photocell extractor as well as GPS locator. Once the unit is cast aluminum, the output of the light fixture is from 12,000 to 19,000 lumens. And we'll open it up and show you what's inside. Let's start on the outside. We have a keg for the adjustment to the earth plane, which can be adjusted once the light is up on the fixture. So you can see that you're parallel to the earth plane. Attachments for both MIMO as well as Bluetooth connections for operations and configurations once the unit is installed. Unit comes with a safety latch, standard latch, as well as a cradle to hold the small cell host inside. Dual extractor fans as well as cooling fans to keep the unit cool. As such, locked onto the cradle and then sealed. The unit is then closed. Safety pin is put back in. And the unit is now operational. The unit weighs as much as a standard street light with the small cell inside of it. It's 175 watts total, capable of being powered by solar power if necessary.